Intellectual property. If you own a practice, you have intellectual property. If you have a name, you have intellectual property. You've got to protect it. There's 3 ways to protect it. Okay? You can either do a DBA, trade name registration. Some states have it, some states don't. South Carolina doesn't have what they call fictitious name registration. Georgia has it, some other states have it. Okay? You can register John Smith, DMD, doing business as New Smiles. That's your name. If you don't protect it, somebody's going to take it. So, if you have the next level, Secretary of State, register, name, logo. Okay? There's certain ways you got to do it. That's the next level of protection. If you're going to grow and you're going to multi-state, U.S. Patent and Trademark Office is the way to go. For $2,000 or $3,000, it'll save you a lot of heartache. So there's 3 levels of protection. Because again, if you don't protect that name, I've got doctors in the same town that only separates their logo by a Y. Dentist, dentistry, same name. Calls back and forth, wrong offices, people showing up, wrong offices. It happens. You were there first, that's great. Your name's not protected. Somebody comes in 3 months later, puts the same name. They love the name. It is to the point where in some cases we've had our clients do 17 name registrations every way imaginable to protect their name. That's how competitive it is now. So, copyright violation. So if somebody has that name protected, and it's copyrighted, and it's not hard to do, and you're in violation of that, you are now facing copyright violations of $700,000 to $150,000. And the worst is your web designers, because they are constantly stealing logos, constantly stealing content, constantly stealing names. There is actually a dental practice in Florida that is fantastic. Everyone steals their stuff. Okay? Everyone steals their stuff. So what do? It is so sophisticated now that they actually code and mark their photos, their content. So if they have a photo that they like, they code it 1, 2, 3, 4. So when they check on the internet 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come up every website that has that logo on there. It is easy to do. It is footprints. Okay? So then you get a nice cease and desist letter. And they're protected by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Brand names, office names, logos, symbols. Every one, if you own a dental practice, you have every one of these. Our practice isn't worth much. It is worth something, because when you sell your practice, one of the main things we put in there is domain names, logos, names. All that is considered enormous intellectual property. Designs, words, phrases, all those can be protected. And your web designers are the worst, because they just lift it. And they don't tell you until it's too late. When you get a cease and desist letter. You can't ignore it. We have doctors that will blow off cease and desist letters, 2, 3 letters. And it just escalates. It doesn't get any better. So if you get that letter, you've got to take action. And don't give it to your office manager to handle. That's something you've got to take care of.